Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be going over our back to school categories that are going to be included in this week's penny list at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just in case you all missed it, I have already uploaded the new clearance markdowns and penny list video for this week at Dollar General, and I'm just going to go ahead and say it, this week is going to be epic for both clearance shopping and penny shopping. So if you missed out on that video, make sure that you go and check it out. Now, because this week's penny list is so big, I'm going to be uploading 3 visual videos for us. Part 1 is where we go over all of the apparel and accessory categories. So there are a total of 3 categories that I go over in that video, and that video is already uploaded and ready to go for you all. So that's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now in part 2, which is this video right here, we're going to go over all of our back to school categories. So we have back to school stationery as well as back to school hardware. And then in part 3, we are going to be going over our hardware categories, which do include fall hardware and winter hardware items. Now, all 3 of these videos will be uploaded on Monday. I plan on having all 3 of them out no later than 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So, please make sure that y'all check back with the YouTube channel, because sometimes when you upload more than 3 videos within a 24-hour period, YouTube gets a little bit weird about sending out notifications. Alright, now, for anyone who is new to penny shopping at Dollar General, please remember that we do not ask employees about penny items. That is the #1 rule. All you have to do is go into your local Dollar General store, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video, scan them with your Dollar General app, and please make sure that you have your correct store location set. If the item scans and the price shows up 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now for our first category that we are going to go over, we have back to school stationery items going down to just 1 penny starting on Tuesday, May the 23rd. Now, while I was out scoping out my stores last week, I noticed that a lot of the items had stickers like this one right here that say Key Road up in that top left-hand corner. So you guys be on the lookout for that. Now, this category is right up my alley because your girl loves her some good stationery items. Now, I have way too many, way too many notebooks, way too many gel pens, all of that stuff. But, I mean, it's just so fun, right? Am I right? Is anybody out there with me? And, hey, look, this stuff is going to be 1 penny starting tomorrow on Tuesday. And like I said, I've already scoped out my stores, and I have found an absolute ton of items in the regular stationery aisle. So fingers crossed, I'm going to go first thing in the morning, and hopefully all those items are still there. Now, as we're taking a really good close look at this category and all of the items in it, you guys are going to be able to see that we have a pretty good variety of items. And keep in mind that back to school stuff is going to start hitting the sales floor probably within the next couple of weeks. That's probably why they are moving these old items out. They're fixing to put all new back to school items back out on the sales floor, because August is just what? Basically 2 months away. So a lot of us are going to have to buy these items in the near future anyways, so we might as well go out tomorrow and try to find them for a penny. Because in this category, we have everything from pens to pencils to markers to highlighters to extra erasers for your pencils. We have pencil sharpeners, we have little sticky notes, we have notebooks, we have calendars, we have dry erase boards, we also have some lunch boxes, and also the little igloo cooler packs that go into the lunch boxes, and we also have several different types of backpacks. Alright, now for our next category, we have the back to school hardware category going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, May the 23rd. Now, this is kind of a weird category, so don't let the title of the category throw you off. We have a lot of lights, in this category. A lot of the car lights that go around your doors, inside in your cup holders. We have red lights, white lights, and blue lights, and they're all in very similar packaging. Now, I haven't personally found any of these items at my store, but to be honest with you guys, I haven't really been looking for them either, just because I don't think I would put LED lights on my car anyways, even if I got them for a penny. But anyways, I do want to give y'all a heads up that sometimes the employees will stick items like the LED lights, electronics, headphones, things like that back behind the register. So if you get into a situation where you spot a bunch of these behind the register, on the shelf, whatever it may be, just politely ask the employee if you can see those items, and hopefully, fingers crossed, they will just be nice about it and you won't have any issues whatsoever. Now, if any of you all have come across this problem in the past, please let me know down in the comment section below, how did you handle it? Now, we are almost to the end of this video, so one last thing that I wanted to point out, we did have 2 different duct tapes that were included in this category. However, it does look like these are now excluded. Now, crazy things have happened. Dollar General can magically fix some things in the system overnight, but we'll just have to wait and see what happens, so y'all keep that in mind. Now, like I said, we are almost to the end of this video, so I do want to remind everybody to make sure that y'all stick around for part 3. Coming up next, we have our hardware visual videos where we are going to go over 2 more categories. So we have our fall hardware items as well as our winter hardware items. So we have 2 more really exciting categories to take a look at. And of course, if you've missed out on the new clearance markdown and penny list video, or if you missed out on part 1 where we go over all the apparel and accessory categories, make sure that you go and check those out. I'm going to have them linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And of course, before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And that way you won't miss out on any awesome deals. Now, while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, because these visuals and videos take a long time to put together. So if you could, don't forget, hit the thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick and easy ways that y'all can help support this channel. And plus, it's free. It's free to hit that thumbs up button and leave a smile. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. Good luck penny shopping this week, and I will see you all in part 3.